All right, so the next group is Nadra's group, and their robot may look a little familiar. It's because their robot is Ed, the probably less attractive version of Eddie, but they will tell you more about it.
Hello guys, I'm Nadra, and here I have my team members Benaya, Mozael, Adil, and Mandana. This is our robot Edthebot. Edthebot has a sensor at the bottom right here that can sense light, and if we place it on a lighter table or a white table and put like a line that's a little bit darker, it can track that line, and I will demonstrate that for you guys right now.
Yeah, that was part of the program.
Oh my God. There you go, baby.
So the program that we use for this robot was Python, because we use other programs, but this robot have so many functionalities. We can use sound, light, everything, but other programs didn't allow us to do so many things. So the Python was the best program for this. With Python, we can enable anything, any sensor, anything that we want. So we use Python. It was so stable and flexible for this. So we can.
The way we tried to, the way we programmed the robot, it came with the cable. So we just connected the cable. So we just connected the cable with the laptop and connected the robot, and we wrote the program in Python. Then we downloaded that program to the Eddie, and after that we used it. And
now we will show you guys one other functionality that Edthebot has.
we're just going to use the flashlight.
Sexy mode.
It just follows the light.
Yeah, so follow light.
You can, it will just follow the light. So the other flow object, good function of the Eddie is like it follows the light.
Yeah.
Like wherever light goes, if it's like try to spin around. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great. The con about the Eddie is we can only program it one at a time. We cannot just make it to like follow the line and follow the flash at the same time.
Yep. And so a couple of issues that we had as a group while programming Ed was that we had a time constraint when we ordered our robot from Amazon. It took a couple days than we expected to get here. And also with the other programs that we were trying to use, we weren't able to, we were trying to add sound, and we had issues with adding music. I was trying to add a tune that I liked, and it was giving us issues. We also had issues with trying to program it with the program that it did come with, because it was a Scratch, or sorry, it was a Scratch program that was for children. So we try to upgrade it with Python.
And then the difficulties that we experienced with testing the code. To begin with, we tried adding more than one function to the robot at once, but we later found out that it's only capable of having one function at a time. And then when loading when loading a function into the bot, we didn't have like a confirmation screen letting us know it was complete, but instead we had like this unique sound that only came up when the function was done, so we had to like listen closely. And then for line tracking, we found out that has to be placed on a lighter surface, and then it will track the darker line. So that took us a while to get. And then for the light tracking, we found out that if the light source is too wide, it moves side to side, like it looks like it's stuttering or like vibrating. And then, so we had 3 functions prepared for this presentation. The first one was line tracking, the second one was light tracking, and the third one was clap control. So what happens is when you clap once, it'll turn right, and when you clap twice, it'll move forward.
We tried a lot of programming languages that Edthebot did not respond to. We noticed that Python was the best programming language that it was listening to, and some of our other team competitors said that they used their smartphone to program Edthebot, but for us, it actually worked on our computer.
They are trying to figure out the clap control thing. Beside clap control, you can do the object obstacles our previous team did that, and we tried many other things such as sometimes it's malfunction the robots. Now I think we are done. We are done with the robot. I think we are.
And there we go.
There we go.
Control.
Clap control.
With 1 clap you can turn it, with 2 clap.
Yep, that's good.
Yeah, my class.
Your class. 1 clap.
Wow.
So that's our edit.
And that is our Eddie.
Do you guys have any questions?
Any questions?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.